Let's come up and test maybe the 73.5 area. Hopefully. Pulling back now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and today is the 21st of April. It is Thursday, and I'm, like I always do, I'm looking at the E-mini S&P 500 futures to see if we can profit today. I have not traded. I didn't do any trading on Tuesday and Wednesday for those that have probably been trying to figure out where I've been at. I've been feeling, I was not feeling well, a little bit under the weather, and today I got a little energy to go ahead and kind of try to jump back into this thing and start trading again. So we'll see. So bear with me, guys. A little congested, a little bit, and luckily I got my coffee off to the left of me and kind of get me going this morning. But let's go ahead. I always want to start off and thank those who have currently subscribed to the channel. Thank you guys for subbing. If you have not turned on your post notifications, please make sure to click on that little bell icon next to the subscribe button to turn on your post notifications so that you never miss one of the uploads. First time viewers, thank you for viewing, and hopefully we can gain you as a loyal subscriber to the channel. I am a price action trader. I like to trade on basically based through retracements to certain key areas of support and resistance, but I like to see price move more into the area of the supply or demand within a swing, okay, or within a zone, okay. So I'm not a breakout trader. I particularly don't like to take breakouts. I like to wait for price to pull back to certain areas where it's built a accumulation of buying or accumulation of selling, and look for the rejection from those areas. So anyway, let's go ahead and jump into the video today. Okay, so what we've seen coming in the latter part of March, out of the latter part of March into April, we saw the market selling off some here, making lower lows and lower highs. We get over here to the 17th of April. Price bounces down here at an area of support right here from March 17th, a month back from that. And from there, we've been pushing to the upside since the 17th. Today's the 21st, so we've been chopping to the upside, making higher highs and higher lows. Right now, we are, let me see here. Yeah, we're actually hitting or bumping up against an area of, let's see, take a look here. Yeah, an area of resistance up here. So you see price rejecting that area here. Let's see what the market actually opened up. Let's see, particularly around this area right here. So we haven't done much, to be honest with you, and looking at the ES this morning. So it's actually pulling back right now, and yeah, I'm just looking to see what price could actually do. So let's take a look. Yeah, so please bear with me. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today. Sorry, I can't talk, but hopefully it doesn't kind of mess with my trading today. So we'll see. Hopefully I can still kind of think clearly this morning. Hopefully, we'll see. Price rejected that area there. No, it's rejecting this area up here. Okay, and it's pulling back now. So we've got price chopping to the upside right here in the last couple of days, making these higher highs and higher lows. Like I said, we're in this leg here to the downside, so kind of be careful. We got a high up here. This is off the 60 range, so okay. High sitting up there, and then the low sitting right here on this leg right here. Okay, in this leg. All right, let's see. Okay, I am short. Yes, I am. I'm short. Come on. Okay. Price bouncing off the top volume. No, okay, we just got cleared on that trade there. Okay, first little short, pull back to this swing right here. So price came up here. I mentioned that was an area of resistance off the 60 range. I'll show it to you. This area here is area of resistance. Prices bounced from that area there. So once price started rejecting that area, I started to see if price was going to break structure, start breaking structure to the downside, and it did. Started breaking structure to the downside, taking out some areas over here. So started breaking structure, you know, to the downside, bouncing off of this area here. Okay, it broke into this level right here. Okay, this area here, pulled back, and when it pulled back up to the, it retraced back to this swing right here, pretty much right here where it pushed down, pull back, and push lower. Close when it closed right here. Okay, meaning it when it pushing it higher, I went short. Okay, so that was a rejection. That was basically just a pullback, retracement back to this area, to this level right here, this swing, and went short. So when I saw price basically breaking down, okay, sorry, making these lower highs and lower lows, chopping to the downside after bouncing off the area of resistance, like I showed you off the 60 range, it broke into this swing right here, okay? That's why I put that red line right there, okay? The top of this area right here, the top of this swing right here. When price broke into it, it pulled back, right? Okay? But it didn't want to take this red line out, okay? Which is the red line is signifying the top end of the swing right here, okay? Price didn't want to basically pull back, you know, when it pulled back here, break back above this red line, which is the mouth of the opening of the swing right here, I call it. Okay, so when price pulled back to an area, which is just, you know, an area of resistance right here, it couldn't break back above the red line, which is the area of pretty much an area of resistance, which is this area right here, from the opening of the swing to the upside here. Couldn't break back above that, close back, you know, and close back red to the downside. You could have went short, but I'm also looking at my 4 range to see, you know, to kind of get me into a trade a little sooner. So basically when price pulled back, like, let me show you. I use an arrow. Here it is right here. This area right here, 44.88, is that area right there. That right there, okay? Price pulls back, okay? That's that area right here, okay? And then that red line right here is that same red line right here, okay? And when price couldn't break pretty much back above it, pretty much couldn't break back above it to really take it out, which was the top end right here, okay? Stop there, reject it. Basically, when you see that red candle there close to the downside, you go short. Okay, if you guys don't understand that, shoot me a comment, leave a comment, and I kind of explain that a little bit more. Hopefully you guys can kind of hear me pretty well. I'm kind of, may sound a little muffled today. I'm kind of congested, so, and taking some medication, so hopefully I'll get this stuff cleared up pretty quick. Okay, so price is around the VPOC right now. Now it's finally pulled back and broke back above, so at this point here, be waiting to see what the market's going to do. All right, price is coming down to this area down here. It's an area of support below us. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I'm not sure if the market's going to. This is support right here. I'm not sure if it's going to pull back into a little lower. Meaning pull back into the swing a little more. I'm looking at it off the 12 range, so all right, price coming a little lower here, moving to this area. Like I said, support here. If we get a break above, I'll probably go long here. We'll see. 86. We'll see. Price so far is kind of moving sideways right here. Looking at the 4 range. So it's just a waiting game right now. Yep, just wait it out. Yeah, it doesn't look like it's trying to move up. Could be trying to continue to pull down or push lower. Let's see here. But like I said, we have an area of support sitting here. If you look at the higher time frame, same area. That's that area right here on the 12 range. Yeah, it's moving sideways on the 4 range. You can see it just chopping away. Waiting to see if it's going to push, move to the upside. It could kind of move to the upside pretty quick here. So if it does, we're getting the break now. Hopefully. Uh, Look at it. Hmm. Moving sideways. Be careful though, because I'm going long. 86.50. Okay, come on up. Come on. Make it pull back here. So I know it can pull back, so I'm having to be a little careful in this trade here. It's no problem. Uh, Come on. You can pull back before it pushes higher. I'm expecting it to come up to this area up here around probably around 89, maybe 90. I'm gonna scalp it. Come on. It's playing around. Okay, first contract got hit. Look at that. Come on, dude. What is going on? Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and close this out, guys, because this thing is kind of just not moving quick enough for me. And I don't want to get stopped out or not stopped out, but I don't want it to kind of pull back on me. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out here. I think it's gonna come up to at least this area right here, though. Okay, it should have just shot right on that. But watch it do it. Watch it move on up now. Yeah, looks like it's retracing a little bit deeper here. Um, Hmm. Yeah. All right. Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, it's moving sideways here. Moving sideways, moving sideways. I expected it to move up to the Texas area up here. It's not doing that quite yet. Market is just moving sideways, and we're looking. Hopefully, we get a push to the upside here. So I'm gonna sit back and hold this trade here. One thing I didn't want to see it do was break back below this area right here. Um, I didn't want to see it break. Where's that purple line at? Back below this area right here. Come on. I think it's going to push higher now. Come on. Go ahead and get filled on that order there. Come on. All right. I think it's going to push up here. So get up here, push on up through this low volume area here and push back up here to say around the 89, 88 area, somewhere around there. But it broke to the upside here and it came back down. And I didn't want to see it break below this red, I mean, excuse this purple line right here, which it did. So it started trading sideways, but it didn't come down and really make a lower low here when it pulled back here. It's been just kind of chopping sideways here. So yeah, this market's all chopped up today. It's moving sideways right here. You see it on full range. I'm not sure. Um, Maybe we get a little pullback uh, to about right here. Let's see what happens. May take a quick little scalp. Nope, not now for sure. All right. Looks like the market may be trying to break lower. Yep. All right. Breaking lower, breaking lower. All right. All right. Let's see what happens here. Uh, okay, I'm going long. Going long. Come on. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and scalp here. All right. Price might pull back up to this purple line right here. Where this purple line at? So I went long there off the projection. Saw price projecting in this area here. So reject right here. You see the little W right there. Pushes up, pulls back, makes a little high here, pulls back, makes a higher low, pulls up. It breaks into this swing here to the downside. And on the pullback, when that green candle closed green, I'm going long. Okay, as simple as that. And I'm gonna scalp it. Okay, I'm not gonna be able to get into it because it's already up there. So that was a little quick little long entry right there. All right, scalping using that principle of what I talked about the W formation at the bottom. W's is when you see that W at the bottom, guys, at an area of support. It's going to be an area where you can look for maybe go long because it's a boundary or a blockade or where price is actually showing you that it's rejecting a particular area. All right, so uh, this could be this could be a short here, but yeah, could be. Not sure. So he's price chopping to the downside here, pulling back. This area right here is an area of um, let's see, little area of supply sitting here. So I'm going short. First area would be down here at 78.5. Well, I'm gonna do it right here. See price bouncing there. Be careful here. Price pulling back. Come on. Mm, huh. Okay. Price pulling up a little higher. All right. I got to be careful here now. I got to the trade too early. Got into this trade too early here. Okay. Okay. First contract, and is it gonna fill me on the second one? Let me go ahead and take out. There we go. Second contract. Got into the trade too early there. Should have waited for the pull back or retrace back a little bit higher above this high volume area. But it's okay. Hmm. Okay. Not sure. What is the market trying to do here? Okay, I'm going to go long here. Come on. Expect price to push up a little higher. Let's see. Yeah. Expecting price to push up a little higher here. Mm, let's come up and test maybe the 73.5 area. Hopefully. Pulling back now. Come on. There we go. All right. And that's going to wrap it up for me today. Why did I take that trade? Well, price is bouncing, like I said, off an area of support here. Pretty much just an area of demand. Where's the demand? A lot of buying accumulation took place here. When price pushed up, see it here on the higher time frame. Price retraces back to it. Right here where the purple line is at, pretty much. We have a swing right here. Okay, if you look at the 4 range, price rejects off of that area of demand from the higher time frame. Pushes up, breaks into the swing. Okay, on a pullback, I don't want to see price break below the mouth of the swing right here. Okay, to the downside. All right, so it pushes up, goes back, rejects, green candle here. You can pretty much go long, back up to the top end of the swing right here, right at 73.5, just where I said to the tick, then price bounces, okay? So guys, that's going to wrap it up for me today. I hope you guys found some valuable, I guess, information within the video content. And, you know, we didn't really have much going on. I mean, a little channel to the downside. You can see here, price moving to the downside, pulling back to this area of support right here, which we can start looking for some long entries. But you could possibly also look for short entries because I showed you earlier where price was right here, this red line right here. This is resistance up here at the top, okay, at 45.09. And you can see if you look at the 12 range chart price, 12 range chart price rejects that area and starts to chop to the downside, making lower lows and lower highs in this channel to the downside. So let me draw this out so you can see it. So we got a channel. Okay, give me a second here, guys. Okay, there it goes. Oh, what's going on here? Kind of funky channel. I'm not sure why I did that. Okay, let's try it again. There we go. All right, right here to the downside, chop it to the downside. Okay, so yeah, I just scalped pretty much today, guys, and that's pretty much going to be it. Appreciate everyone who tuned in this morning and you know, watched me day trade my day trading session. And even though I wasn't feeling well, I still felt like I needed to get on here and make some content for you guys. So you know, we analyzed this morning, trying to figure out depicting some possibilities of what could actually happen. I saw this area of support right below, and I knew that price would, if price come back to it, it'll bounce or reject out of it. So I'm waiting for the opportunity as well. So appreciate you tuning in, guys. First time watching the video. Hope you found the video, the content valuable, and I'll see you guys in the next trading session. Take care.